Hey, so thanks for landing on this page. I'm going to keep this short, sweet, to the point with no BS whatsoever. So I go by the name of the Beast of Ecom. I'm a 7-figure internet marketer specializing in Shopify and dropshipping, and I've been consistently been able to bring in 6 figures per month using a strategy that I've developed. Now, things weren't always this way, okay? I've done the hard work, I've tested things, I've spent money on adverts as well, but now I've got it down to a formula which I'm going to give to you, which is going to act as a shortcut, which is going to save you time and money, which I personally wish I had when I first got started. Now, what I'm going to teach you is step by step how to create a Shopify store the correct way with no technical experience at all, then how to search and how to find winning products that are in demand that people actually want to buy. And then what I'm going to move on to is actually how to create Facebook adverts which convert into sales with my test and launch strategy. Now, here's the best part of it all. I'm going to do this 100% free. Yep, you've heard that. Totally free, no catch whatsoever. So if you want to get involved, all you have to do is click the link down below to say, yes, I am ready to learn. You'll then head over to another page where you'll be able to create your free account where you can start cracking on with making your store live. So that is enough for myself, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care for now.